If you have the ability, if you have the aptitude, you can be anything you want to be as an electrician. If you want to realize your potential at a level that it's hard to even imagine, this is for you. It'll be the most challenging thing. It's the most rewarding thing. Based on your work ethic, you can have this secure income for your entire working life. You are employed as good as you are. That's what I find rewarding about it. It's absolutely fantastic.
And you're going to take your load hot and your load neutral.
We tell our apprentices, you can decide what you want to do. We've got electricians that have gone through our program who have gone and opened their own business. They've become an electrical contractor. Some of them are working for electrical contract in the office as estimators, project superintendents. The sky's the limit.
So I started doing what a lot of guys do was residential. You know, you do houses, small commercial buildings, stuff like that. And then as you progress in your apprenticeship, you get to a point where you can go out to industrial applications and start working with heavier duty equipment. You know, you're putting in rigid pipe and explosion proof disconnects.
The training here at the NJATC is great. We come to class every 2 weeks. We learn everything starting from DC theory all the way up to transformer theory and everything in between. The trainers have been in the field. They have got over 15, 20, 25 and sometimes more years as a working electrician. They've got a lot of knowledge to draw upon and they're just giving that all to us.
The instructors are great. They take the time out of their schedule to make sure that you're having a great experience on the job. We go over everything. If there's a problem on the job, they're always there. You can talk to them. If you have any issues. They're great guys. They're very passionate about what they do.
This is a wonderful facility. This has got to be one of the best electrical training facilities in the country, maybe even the world.
When you go into our motor control classrooms, it's the latest cutting edge technology. It's ahead of, in many cases, of what's out in the field. So our workers can literally be suggesting to our customers, this is the latest cutting edge stuff, this is what you could be installing, this makes you more profitable. That's kind of the vision of what goes on in this facility.
We want to make sure that we're ahead of the game, so when the new technologies come out and the customers need somebody to make that installation, whether it's an electric car charging station, solar panel on your roof, we're right there with technology. We want to be the ones that install it for you. We want to do it right. We want to make sure that we're there to satisfy the customer for whatever their needs are, now and in the future.
As far as technology is concerned, it's constantly changing, it's constantly growing, and with the resources that we have at our school, they're giving us, you know, the education. It doesn't stop once our apprenticeship stops.
Our guys are getting their training through the apprenticeship. We've actually invited the school out here and they're bringing their classes out in the afternoon to get a little bit of hands-on, to take a look at what we're doing, because not everybody, you know, unfortunately is going to get to put their hands on this kind of work. They really need to understand what they're installing and how to go about doing it in a safe and efficient manner. You know, with the training they get through the school and the hands-on in the field, they really learn that and understand that.
Well, when I first got out of high school, I really didn't know what I was going to do. I thought I had to go to college. I thought there was nothing out there that wouldn't make like over 10 bucks an hour, you know? And then I found out about this. You go to school, but at the same time, they give you a job right away, and you're out there working the whole time making money.
As you go through our training is free. The whole time they're going through apprenticeship, they're earning a living. They're making money.
I finished college, it's just hard to find a job. You know, I had friends that were electricians and they were making good money. They were learning, you know, skills every day that they need to do their job, and I envied that. Something I didn't find going to college.
Coming out of high school, I chose nursing, and I was a nurse for 10 years, and it's a great career, loved what I did, but I chose this for a particular reason, because of the pay and because the jobs are out there, and I would always climb up the ladder as being an electrician.
On our logo, it says knowledge, skills, and attitude. And in my view, there's nothing more important than attitude. The future of this organization, the future of NECA, our contractor partner, and the union, depends upon the apprentice's attitude or work ethic.
With our customer base and so many of our clients having to compete globally, they are looking for electricians that are cutting edge, that no matter what happens, whatever, a shutdown, an interruption of process, they need our best people to have them back up online immediately.
I couldn't imagine someone just coming in off the street and doing instrumentation or motor control or heat trace, you know, a lot of things that we do out here. You definitely got to hit the books and have a lot of hands-on training to pick it up.
We can be anywhere from the steel mills out to houses. I mean, it's such a wide variety of things that we can work on.
I can go to jobs that I've done. I can look at that and show my kids, hey, I did this job, and as electricians, we have done for the area to improve.
I would actually say that the job itself is just as rewarding as the paycheck is.
You could become a project manager, you can become an estimator, you can see different parts of the country, you can be involved with the customer. You have the opportunity to change someone's life, make that place that much safer, that much more profitable. I don't know what kind of occupations offer that. This does.